Very good morning, children. So today's video I want to discuss about the introduction part, that is the type of classifications systems we are going to see. That belongs to the chapter 8. It will come under the taxonomy of angiosperms. So it is the types of classification systems. Okay, so under this, how this types of classification system is done. It is first classification system developed by Aristotle. And now this Aristotle divided living organisms into plants and animals. And these plants again he has divided into herbs, shrubs, that is also come under bushes, trees, and animals into land animals, water animals, and air animals. So this is done by Aristotle. Types of classification systems. And classification systems, there are two main types classification system, that is artificial classification system and the natural classification system. And when we say this artificial classification system, which places organisms into groups for purposes of convenience, these groups are usually based on one or a few easily observed features, example, where they live, how they move, or their size. So this is the artificial classification system. And coming to the natural system, it is a system of classification based on natural similarities of vegetative and floral characters. Example, George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker classified plants into cryptogams, which is also called the non-flowering plants, and phanerogams, that is the seed-bearing plants. So by this you can understand this is the natural system, and also you can understand this is the Bentham and Hooker classification. So in this he has divided the whole plant kingdom into two types, that is cryptogamia and phanerogamia, that is non-flowering plants and flowering plants. And these flowering plants are again divided into dicotyledons, gymnosperms, and monocotyledons. And dicotyledons, you can say this is the subclass, and from the phanerogams to the dicotyledons, gymnosperm, and monocotyledons, these are the classes. Now again these dicotyledons, which are divided subclasses into polypetalae, gamopetalae, monoclamidae. So these are the subclasses. And now these subclasses are again divided into series, that is polypetaloe is divided into series like thalamiflorae, disciflorae, and calciflorae. And gamopetalae is divided again into series Infrae, which is having 3 orders and 9 families, and heterogamae, heteromerae, and bicarpetalae. This comes under the Gamopetaloe series. And monoclamidae series is curvumbriaceae, multi-ovulate, aquitaceae, multi-ovulate pteristaceae, and microembryae. So these are the series for gamopetalae, polypetalae, and monopetalae, also which comes under monoclamidae. And coming to the monocotyledinae, which is directly divided into series Microspermae, Ediginae, Coronariae, Callicenae, Nudiflorae, Epocarpae, and Glumaceae. So these are the series which comes under the monocotyledons. So this is the natural system given by the Bentham and Hooker classification, which is very important. And the next system is phylogenetic system. It is a system of classification based on evolutionary and genetic relationship of organisms in addition to natural characters. Example, Adolf Engler and Karl Prantl classified bacteria and all plants under 14 divisions. The 14 divisions is Embryophyta, Syphnogama, that includes gymnosperms and angiosperms. And when we see this outline of Engler and Prantl classification, the plants are divided into bacteria, and this is the division Embryophyta, and this division Pteridophytes and Siphonogamia. And now again these embryophytes are divided into gymnosperms and angiosperms. These are the subdivisions. The angiosperms are divided into classes monocotyledons and dicotyledons. In monocotyledons 11 orders and 45 families are present. And coming to the dicotyledons, which are again divided into subclasses Archaeameidae and Metachlamydiae. Okay, so this is the phylogenetic system we have seen here. So these are the systems and types of classification in this chapter. Hope so you got the video and you have understood. Thank you, children.